Everyone pay attention. This is important.
Hey from the Osterman House. We're going to talk about law of sines as part of your flip review this weekend. I've got a lot of help. So we've got Xander here to give us a hand. Yep, and we've got Kaylee. Say hey everybody. Yep, and we're going to talk about the law of sines together. So if the marker board shakes, that's Kaylee playing with the base of the easel. Law of sines is what we use when we don't have a right triangle. Do you know what a right triangle is, Xander? No. Okay, well, right triangle with a right angle in it. Do you see any boxes over in that triangle?
No.
You sure? No boxes?
No.
Nope, so that's not a right triangle, is it? Now let's label these corners. You know the alphabet, right? What comes first?
A,
And then?
B, C.
All right, we're going to label the sides the same way. So what goes first?
A,
Then?
B, C.
C. Check that out, huh? Cool. You want to give me a hand? I want you to take this blue marker. I want you to connect the big B to the little b. And that's an important relationship. Yep, the big B and the little b. All right. Now can you do that with the C's?
Yep.
All right, go for it. And again, we're connecting up the side to the corresponding angle. You try to stay inside the lines this time?
I will.
All right, and there's your A. That relationship is key. Now we're also talking the law of sines. So our relationship is going to use the sine of the angle. We're going to recap that. All right, show everybody the chameleon. There we go, that's the chameleon. So, what is that actual relationship?
I forget.
You forget. Well, let's talk about it. It says that the sine... You want to be up here too? Okay, hold the cap. Come here, Kaylee. Ah, there we go. It says the sine of the angle over the corresponding side. So sine of big A over little a. Can you cap that? Thank you. Can you grab me a line marker? Reach. Sweet. Thank you. Is equal to the sine of another angle over its corresponding side. So the sine of A over little a is sine of big B over little b. That is what the law of sine says. Now this will also equal the sine of C over little c. And we can use these ratios to solve that triangle. Alright, so now that we've got the law down, we can start talking about how to apply it. What are we applying, Xander?
Laws.
What laws?
Sine laws.
I mean the law of sines.
Yeah.
So what are we applying?
Laws of sines.
Laws of sines. Alright, so there's our triangle. We've got two angles we know, right? We've got this X up over here, currently hidden in the glare from the overhead lights. So there's X. And what we're going to do, doesn't help any. What we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out that X, given 10, 40, and 60. So, Xander, can you connect those guys up again? Remember how you connected them before? You went across the triangle, can you do that again? Connect the 40 to the 10. There you go, very good. And what about that 60 and the X? Can you connect those?
Okay.
Thank you, that's very helpful. Because now what I'm going to write is the sine of 40 over 10 is equal to the sine of 60. What's the 60 pointing at?
X.
It's pointing at X. And now I can solve that proportion. Now the sine of 40, according to my calculator, is 0.643. Put that over 10. Equals. Sine of 60 is 0.866. Put that over X. Can you make a big red X right here? A big X over that equal sign. So connect those and then connect those. Yeah. That's what we call cross multiplying, right? Is that what we call it? See how it went crisscross? Alright. So now I can go ahead and write that out. So I have 10x Oh, I don't? Yeah.
Do I have to put the cap back on?
You probably should. There's your cap.
Thanks.
There you go. So I got 0.643x equals 10 times 8.66. So that becomes 8.66. And now I can go ahead and divide to get x. Sandra, can you hand me my phone, please? It's right there. Thank you very much. And let's see what that comes out to be. 643 equals 13.4. Hey. There we go. We found the missing side of a triangle that was not a right triangle. Using, what do we use?
Sign.
What do we use?
Law of signs.
The law of signs. You want to give away goodbye?